This is the 2026 BMW X7X Drive 40i, the final chapter in the story of the first-generation X7. A luxury SUV that blends performance, technology, and comfort into one unforgettable package. As the last model year before a brand new generation debuts in 2027, the 2026 X7X Drive 40i still holds its own. It's big, bold, and unmistakably BMW. With its commanding presence, the X7 measures over 17 feet long and offers a spacious, luxurious interior for up to 7 passengers. Step inside, and you're greeted by handcrafted materials, cutting-edge tech, and seating designed for both comfort and versatility. Under the hood, the X7 xDrive 40i packs a punch with a 3.0-liter twin-power turbo inline-6 engine enhanced by 48V mild hybrid e-boost technology. That means 375 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 time of just 5.6 seconds, all sent through an 8-speed automatic and intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system. It's not just fast, it's refined. With standard 2-axle air suspension, the ride remains silky smooth no matter where you're headed. The X7 offers flexible seating. Choose between a standard 7-passenger layout or upgrade to a more exclusive 6-seat configuration with plush captain's chairs. Front passengers get multi-contour heated seats as standard, with optional ventilation and massage functions. Heated rear seats? That's available too. And thanks to the Sky Lounge panoramic roof, now optionally featuring ambient LED lighting, every journey feels like a sky-lit escape. Inside, the new BMW Curve display runs the latest OS 8.5 software, offering a clean, customizable interface and remote updates so your car stays future-ready. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, wireless, and ready to go. And with the My BMW app, you can check your vehicle status, start the engine remotely, and even send directions straight to your dash. Need help navigating or adjusting climate settings? Just ask the intelligent personal assistant, your digital co-pilot on every drive. Safety meets innovation with the optional Driving Assistance Professional package. Highway Assistant lets you drive hands-free at speeds up to 85 miles per hour, making long trips feel effortless. Standard systems like forward collision mitigation, lane keeping assistant, and active blind spot detection work together to keep you protected in every situation. When you need space, the X7 delivers. Behind the third row, you've got nearly 13 cubic feet of cargo room, expandable to almost 90 when all seats are folded flat. Whether it's groceries, gear, or a weekend getaway, the X7 has room for everything and everyone. The 2026 BMW X7X Drive 40i starts around $85,000, but with premium packages and dealer add-ons, it's easy to see configurations pushing past $100,000. This is the end of the line for the original X7, but what a way to go out! If you're looking for a full-size luxury SUV that still turns heads, delivers thrilling performance, and wraps you in tech and comfort, the 2026 X7X Drive 40i might just be your final answer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 BMW X7X Drive 40i, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury automotive content. See you on the next video.